Escalating lumber prices nationwide continue to impact the cost of new homes in Maryland. As a result of the COVID pandemic, disruptions to the lumber and building material industries has put pressure on the demand and resulted in higher prices, in many cases more than double. Combined with the shortage of labor necessary to get the building materials to the builders, a home that was priced out at $700,000 is now pricing out at $825,000. Robert Dietz of the National Association of Home Builders says the decline in single-family permits indicates that builders are slowing construction activity as costs rise. While housing starts were strong at the beginning of the year due to the home builder constructing homes that were sold pre-construction, higher cost and limited availability of building materials have now paused some projects. So many home builders are unable to deliver new construction homes, so projected inventory has slowed for area home builders as they work through these material and labor shortages. It's Friday, June 11th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland's real estate. The supply shortage doesn't just affect the new home builds, it's affecting remodeling and roof replacement costs for homeowners. While some homeowners are opting to sell their homes without the necessary upgrades or improvements, we are seeing some buyers hesitate in purchasing due to the projected cost and time frames for needed renovations. Usually these are first-time home buyers or first-time move-up buyers, more than likely because they don't have the resources or funds to stretch too much further above their pricing. Hopefully, these shortages in our natural supply system will prompt builders to begin to look at more environmentally friendly ways to build using sustainable resources, or even doing more to reclaim existing items instead of tearing down and disposing of things. Everything has a ripple effect to the end user, so we'll keep a watch on how things do develop there. So, how is this projected to impact the price of resale homes in Maryland? Well, appreciation of value is going to continue between 6.6% to 10.3% more, while many Maryland home buyers may feel the sting of the swift moving market as homes are listed for sale and go under contract within a median 6 days. There are other areas nationwide experiencing more pronounced movement, as you can see from this map. Here's what's happened since last week's report. 2,355 are newly active, and this indicates a small swell in the new inventory. 1,494 are coming soon. 872 homes went under contract. 1,476 are temporarily off the market. 1,895 moved to pending, and 1,902 homes settled last week, down 24% from the week prior. The highest priced home to sell over this past week was in the Kenwood community of Chevy Chase for $3,300,000. 308 rental units came onto the market since last week's report, but overall rental inventory is down to only 1,014 units at an average of $2,581 a month. If you were thinking about buying or selling, be sure to get our free summer edition of the Homebuyer or Home Seller Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guide in the navigational bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 11th, 2021. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to catch our market updates through your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa devices. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.